Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we remove background in CapCut PC. Sometimes it could be really helpful. In order to show this process, I created this small project which is like from 4 different videos and transitions between them. So I will show you some steps how can we remove background. The first thing we can do is of course just use the green screen option. If you have like green screen, we can just choose it right up here on our timeline. Go to video, go to cutout, and then just click on chroma key. Pick the color we need to remove and then just increase the strength. So as you can see, this is a simple process. But what if we don't have like a green screen video, we just only have video, for example, like this or like this with a person. So all we need to do is just to choose it on our timeline here. And the same way, just go to video, cut out. But instead of chroma key, we need to choose auto cutout right up here. So just click on it. And as you can see, the background was successfully removed. As you can see, we have some mistakes here, but it still works really good. So in order to add, for example, background on this video, we need to go to basic, scroll down, go to canvas, and use the necessary background we need to use. For example, this one, this one, this one. There are a lot of them. So, but as you can see, still it doesn't work correctly 100%, but it's much better than like it was in the previous versions. So this is a way basically of how can we remove background in CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.